Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu where we can look for accommodations. From here, we have to tap on the profile menu, then on manage your account, then on security, and here at the bottom we find the delete account. We can tap on this, then we can give a reason for why we want to delete the account, and yeah, just proceed with the steps that are given. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.